how to fix missing Instagram DM notifications on iOS or Android. Now, if you're not getting a DM notification, now if it is happening only with one person and you're getting notification for other but not for that one specific person, just try to check if you have muted that person. So you can just try to long press on that person and you can see mute messages. If you have enabled mute messages, try to unmute that person. Second thing is, come to your profile, tap the three lines from the top right hand side, and from here go to the option called notifications. Now from here you can see messages only, so you might have turned this off, so try to turn that on. Also go to messages. If you've turned off message requests and all of these options, try to turn them on as well. Now on both iOS and Android, you can open settings and you can go to the option called notifications, where you can go to app notifications and you can simply search for the Instagram app to check if you've enabled 100 level notification on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.